In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Gumroad account. Whether you're looking to sell digital products, physical goods, or offer memberships, Gumroad provides an intuitive platform to get you started with ease. Let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Gumroad's official website. Once you're there, you'll notice the site is designed to be both user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing, making navigation straightforward. As you land on the homepage, look for the Start Selling button. This is your gateway to joining a global community of creators and sellers. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you've clicked Start Selling, you'll need to choose how you'd like to create your Gumroad account. Gumroad offers several options here, but one of the most convenient ways is to use your Google account. So, click on the Google option. This method simplifies the process, allowing you to skip the manual entry of personal details and email verification. It's a time saver and adds a layer of security to your sign up process with Google's authentication. Upon clicking Google, you're going to be redirected to choose your Google account. If you're already signed into Google, any existing accounts will appear here. Select the one you'd like to use with Gumroad. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google credentials. This is a standard, secure process to ensure it's you accessing and creating your account. Next up, after choosing your account, you'll need to click on Continue. This action grants Gumroad the necessary permissions to connect with your Google account for sign-up purposes. Don't worry, Gumroad keeps your data secure and uses it solely to streamline your registration process. Once you've done that, keep an eye on your Gmail inbox. Look for an email containing your authentication token. This token is part of a two-factor authentication process designed to keep your new Gumroad account secure. It's a simple yet crucial step. Copy this token and go back to your Gumroad registration tab to paste it in the required field. Finally, you're almost there. Hit the login button and just like that, you've successfully created your Gumroad account. Now that you're inside your new account, Gumroad will guide you through a series of getting started instructions. These cover essential first steps like setting up your store, adding products and understanding the dashboard so you can hit the ground running. And there you have it. In a few short minutes you have created a Gumroad account and taken the first steps towards selling online. Whether you're selling art, software or subscriptions, Gumroad is ready to help you reach your audience. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your new selling journey.